Hello and welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. If you are not new here, welcome to my channel. I appreciate you for joining in today's video. In today's video, we are going to make some overnight oats for the first time, okay? Was this recipe perfect? No, it was not perfect, but I did definitely get inspired from a recipe that I found on Pinterest, which I will definitely link in the description box. But I did love, like, this turned out well for the first time. It was super easy. I just was able to grab and go and then go to work. Usually I'm buying bagels with some lox bread, and I'm also like drinking protein shakes, and I'm just like, I can't actually be fulfilled from this, and my bank account doesn't like that. So for this one, I added some collagen powder, some vanilla extract, some chia seeds, the oats. I had some lactose-free milk, kosher salt, and some vanilla Greek yogurt from Chobani. I found that these overnight oats were really good, but I needed more flavor. I think that even though the vanilla extract, the vanilla yogurt, and those kosher salt was in there, it just needed more flavor. So I've since then added some white chocolate chips to my overnight oats. I also added some cinnamon sugar, and I think that that completely changed the game. For some texture, because basically it's just mush, I packed up some honey almond granola, the Good and Gather brand from Target, and I chopped up some strawberries. That way I can add it like later so that it won't be just straight up mush. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching and tuning in, and I hope that you subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!